Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can install eFootball on Android. Now to download eFootball, since it's not available in Play Store, you need to download it through your browser. So what you want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. From your browser, you want to search for eFootball download Android. Once you search for eFootball Android download, it's going to show you multiple results. So you can see over here eFootball 2024. You can just click on download and it'll start to download. And if it doesn't download from your Google Play Store, what you can do is click on up to down as well. You can also download it from up to down. But let me just click on install over here. Once I click on install, my Play Store will open up and it's going to show me eFootball. Now I can click on install and it'll install. And once it installs, I can start playing it. That is how we guys can install eFootball on your Android phone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.